Here we have substances and pH value. So important substances we are going to discuss: gastric juice, that is 1.2, lemon juice 2.2, tooth decay starts when it has pH less than 5.5, acid rain less than 5.6, neutral with that is the 7, human body 7 to 7.8, pure water in blood is 7.4, most plant soil 6 to 7.5, blueberries required soil 4.5 to 5.5, spinach we have 7 to 8, milk of magnesia we have 10, and dilute sodium hydroxide is the 14. So these are the important substance that is useful in our daily life, and there is corresponding pH values given here. And you know that pH value is the showing the concentration of the hydrogen ion in the particular solutions or in particular substance. Okay, so that pH equal to minus log 10 concentration of the H plus ion. Similarly here, when concentration of the hydrogen ion is going to increase and decrease, on the basis of that acidic and that basic nature is going to change. If concentration of H plus is more, then it is more acidic. If concentration of the OH is more, then it is more basic in the nature.